Hi, let's see. I wanted to give you a quick presentation of the calendar or schedule widget and what it does. Let's say you want to add a calendar to your site, and not everybody would apply for this, but let's say you operated a small theater or you had a company and you're the HR department and you want to be able to display a schedule that people who visit your website can see. They can't make any changes to the schedule, only you control the schedule, and you can add events to the schedule. Like, let's look here. You can see a schedule. This happens to be August 5th to 11th, and it shows something happening on Monday, August 6th, and it shows a presentation. And if you click on it, you can see that it's a presentation by the company CEO, and it says the meeting will be held in the conference room. You can display that as a quick view of a month, and there can be lots of events on various days, or a simple list of what's happening on a given day. But let's look how that works. You add it to the page just like any other widget. So we'll go here and we'll go add, click add a new widget. And after a second, you'll see that under show all widgets, there's a calendar. You just select that calendar and it adds it to the page. But since we've already got one, we'll go back in and take a look at it. Now we're on the page, so let's edit the widget. Click edit. And once we're in edit, we'll find a few different things that we can make changes to. Okay, first off, it's important to know about the preview tab. When you click on it, you can see the calendar exactly as it'll be seen by the public. And let's imagine that we want to add another event on the 9th. We'll have our HR manager talking to the troops or something. So what we do is go under events. And here you see that to add an event, you have to give it a starting date and time. We'll set it on the 9th at, what time? 8:30. We'll say it's 2 hours long. Oop, 2. And we'll say presentation by HR department. And give it a description. Learn how to give large raises to everyone in your department. And you can give it a color to show up. These really don't do anything, but can add a little interest. And then click here to add a picture. And in this case, I happen to have some pictures over here, so I'll just pick one and drop it on. And you could set the event, if you wanted a recurring event, to have this meeting once a week, every weekday, monthly, and give it how long you would like it to occur, but just add it. And as soon as it's added, notice the gray over here, that says that the machine is thinking for a second. I happen to have a very slow internet connection right now. And if you take a look, here it is, presentation by the HR department. If you click on it, you can see there it is. And it's just that easy, and you can add it to your website, and I think you'll have a lot of fun. Thank you.